Hey, and what's up to all the Kickstarter fellows and bakers. My lights finally arrived here in Germany. Should be 9 panels and I want to show you what's inside, so this will be a short unboxing video. Let's take a look. So what we have here is quite nice white modern box design with the logo of Photonlab on the sides, and yeah, should be 9 panels inside. Let's figure out. So at first we got the power supply, power cable and the controller box as well as the stickers, and then we have the panels. I think she will take them out all by one. What I have to mention here, there are no like protection layers between all the panels, so could be that there will be some scratches on the surface, but I don't think that it will interfere with the functionality. So this one got something inside. I don't hope that this is a SMD component. If so, wouldn't be that great for the circuit. Let's see here, we got 9 panels. So I will go to close-up and show you everything. So maybe you have figured out that there is no such thing like present with my favorite shape. So we will continue to have a look on the box with the power supply, the power cable and the controller box. So the power supply seemed to be quite heavy and very big. We don't know what's inside, but it seems to be well built. Got a voltage of 24 volt and 6 amperes. Then we have the power cable and the 3M stickers. Seem to be like 18 stickers, so we have 2 stickers per panel, and I would recommend to not use 2 stickers only for one panel, because they are quite heavy, and like they have mentioned in the forum, the stickers don't seem to be that good, and I don't think they are original, but I will compare them later on, not in this unboxing video, but in private I will compare them to original 3M stickers. Okay, let's go on with the controller box. We have a quite well built controller box. It's quite light, but it don't seem to be that easy to break. I don't know how the guy in the forum break it, but the plastic is not that cheap looking like the plastic on the pictures. So I don't know. Yeah, the buttons sound quite cheap. Yeah, they're definitely very cheap, but as long as they work, what they aren't. But yeah, and then we got the dome here for motion censoring. Okay, let's continue with the panels. So let's have a look on the building quality of the panels. The panels seem to be built quite well. But as I mentioned before, there was no protection layer to separate the panels for the delivery, so there are some scratches on the surface, but I don't think that they will affect the functionality of the panels, but it's kind of improvements maybe for Photonlab. What I figured out while unboxing is that there seem to be some particles inside. I first thought of SMD, so I don't hope that it's an SMD. Maybe you can hear it. So yeah, let's just hope that when I plug them in they will work. Going on, we will have a look on the panels themselves. The panels are around 2.5 centimeters high. From this to this side it's around 17.8. This to this side it's 20.8, and these sides are around 10.2 or 10.3 centimeters. The panel weight around, let's see, 336 grams. So every panel got a male connector on one side, and on each other side there are female connectors. So when I want to connect two panels together, I just have to insert them like this, and they should be connected.